It is hot here in Texas, not because it's August and it's summertime and it's 105 degrees out, but it's because the new TT is here. Oh yes, the new TT. This one has full LED headlights, 19-inch wheels, some really cool stuff on the inside. And I've worked on a video for you guys that I'm editing. So this is a teaser of what's to come. Probably this weekend when I'm ready to send this video out. Oops. And I think you'll like this as well. Get ready for this. Sequential turn signals. Check that out again. That's right, TT in the US. So, thank you Audi South Austin for letting me check this car out. They just got it today, and have a good weekend.